Welcome to the College of Human Sciences and Humanities Presents, a video-based lecture series featuring the work of faculty from the largest of the four colleges at the University of Houston, Clear Lake. I'm Interim Dean Samuel Gladden. The College of HSH features almost 30 academic programs at the bachelor's, master's, and doctoral levels. Our disciplines are diverse, and our remarkable faculty are committed to innovation, intersectionality, interdisciplinarity, and collaborations in research with other faculty and students. The work of our faculty exemplifies cutting-edge scholarship that is directly responsive to issues that beset us in politics, culture, and health. As you will see in this video series, our faculty are collegial and collaborative, and they are deeply invested in the work of their colleagues, as the cross-departmental pairings of moderators and presenters in this series demonstrate. For more information on our college or any of the work featured in this series, write to us at hsh@uhcl.edu. And now, the College of Human Sciences and Humanities presents.